those who want to do it in the car.
Yo, the hell you mean? Ain't even true because that block be clean. Talking about bleach, I'm talking about sheets. Baby, gon' meet with me.
X-Sprite.
X-Sprite. And I ain't even true because you know I drink Sprite with a little bit of vodka.
When you
Tell a
wanna
bitch
get
deuces
some in
if
the
you won't
car.
holler. I ain't even true because of the girl
Use
like to
X-Sprite.
swallow. Cause you know it's all good. Shopping back candy. I ain't even slip because you know I'm in the canvas. Pangus. Wanted. Damage. Any. I ain't even on beat no more. I ain't doing no trip. Alright, Keyshia Cole.
Hell you fucking mean.
With her yelling ass. I just don't listen to Keyshia Cole. She just yelled to me. Oh, why you done what you did to me? Wow! Hello? Are you listening to me? I'm yelling on every song I do. Hello? That's basically.
Hell you mean.
That's basically
talking about my girl like
that's basically Keyshia Cole music to me, my nigga. I'm sorry.
Fuck you.
Hello? I'm texting you! Bitch, I can't hear you if you texting me, ho. What you yelling for? That's basically her music to me, money. I don't know. If y'all like it, that's all good. That's y'all. I mean, that's my personal opinion. That's my blog about the shit. So it's all good.
It's cold. Might have to murk you, fool. Might have to murk you.
No, I'm just saying, bro. Is the piece ready, though?
No, that piece ain't ready yet, man. We got about 6 months, 7 months, man.
Well, it's all good. Well, we're gonna have that. Hello! Nigga, get that bitch.